Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share a full meal lamb chops over rice. First we'll be making white sauce. I am adding 1 clove of garlic, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon tahina sauce, half teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, half cup olive oil and 3 ice cubes, half teaspoon of salt. I will be blending it together. Now I am adding half cup of cream, fresh cream. White sauce is ready. Now I am making red sauce. I am adding very little of onions, 1 clove of garlic, few leaves of mint, few leaves of coriander, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, half cup of olive oil. Now I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato puree and half teaspoon of pepper, half teaspoon of salt. I'll be adding 2 cubes of ice. Now blending together. The red sauce will be ready. This is a yummy sauce. Red sauce and white sauce are very tasty and delicious. Now I'm coming to chops. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of papaya paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of rock salt. You can use even powdered salt. I'm using 1 teaspoon of chili powder and lemon juice. Give it a good mix. I marinated these chops overnight. You can just marinate for 1 or 2 hours. That's more than enough. I'm going to cook it in Instapot. You can use any cooker or any pot you like. I'm going to use it on saute mode for 20 minutes until I saute all the ingredients and prepare the gravy. It will be 20 minutes enough. To the oil, I'm going to add 4 cardamoms, 6 to 7 cloves, 4 sticks of cinnamon and 2 bay leaves. Give it a mix and let them splatter. All the flavors will be infused in the oil. Now I am adding the onions. Here I am not adding any salt as I have added enough salt in marination. Give it a good stir. Let the onions cook until it turns brown. Now I am adding ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Already I have added some chili powder in the marination, lamb marination. Now I am adding tomatoes. Just give another mix. Let the tomatoes become tender. So that I am adding the marinated lamb chop. Give it a good mix. To this I am going to add a half glass of water to loosen it up. Mix well. I am adding dry mint powder. You can add fresh mint. Now I am adding a little bit of coriander to infuse the coriander flavors too. Then I'll pressure cook it for 15 minutes. Now it's done. I'm putting it off. Wait until the whole steam is released. Do not force open. Now the lamb chops is ready. Nice, soft, tender lamb chops is ready. Now we'll prepare the rice. I'm going to prepare 2 cups of rice, for which I have taken 4 cups of water and 2 cups of rice. I have added 2 cups of rice now. And 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of salt. I'm using rock salt. You can use table salt. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter, clarified butter. Give it a mix and put the lid on and cook until the rice is half done. Now I see all the water is absorbed. It's time to add rest of the ingredients. I'm adding the jalapeno chilies, few coriander. For yellow color, I have soaked saffron in milk, and for orange color, I'm adding the orange food color. I'm adding few almonds, chopped almonds, and powdered garam masala, little bit of roasted cumin powder, seera powder. I'm just adding half a cup of water in the center so that it doesn't stick to the bottom, and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Finally 1 tablespoon of ghee, and cover the lid for 5 more minutes. The rice is ready to serve. See, look how beautiful it looks. Now the full meal is ready to be served. Here I am serving the rice. To that I am adding the chop, a little bit of gravy, I am adding salad to the side. I am just sprinkling the red sauce and white sauce. Please be generous to add this red sauce and white sauce. They taste very great and very delicious. It's done. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.